Hello student, good morning. Today's last topic of this chapter. Topic is that slope of line and the inclination of line. आपण पाहूया slope of line. Formula of slope of line. Slope of line is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And slope of line is equal to tan theta. इथे आपल्याला स्लोप ऑफ लाईनचे दोन फॉर्म्युले आहे. एक आहे y2 मायनस y1 डिवायडेड बाय x2 मायनस x1 आणि दुसरा आहे टॅन थिटा. मग हे दोन्ही फॉर्म्युले नेमके कोणत्या वेळेस कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा, हे फॉर्म्युले जेव्हा आपण यूज करतो ते डिपेंड आहे की जर पॉईंट जर गिवन असेल तर y2 मायनस y1 डिवायडेड बाय x2 मायनस x1 हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा. आणि जर इन्क्लायनेशन ऑफ लाईन जर गिवन असेल तर टॅन थिटा हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा. आता पॉईंट्स म्हणजे नेमकं काय, ऑन द ग्राफ पेपर फॉर एक्झाम्पल पॉईंट ए 3 2 अँड पॉईंट बी इज कोऑर्डिनेट 5 6. आता आपल्याला लाईन ए बीचं स्लोप फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. मग आपल्याकडे स्लोप फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे तर आपल्याकडे दोन फॉर्म्युले आहे. y2 मायनस y1 डिवायडेड बाय x2 मायनस x1 आणि दुसरा फॉर्म्युला आहे टॅन थिटा. मग नेमका कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा, तर आपल्याकडे काय गिवन आहे पॉईंट. मग आपण काय करू की y2 मायनस y1 डिवायडेड बाय x2 मायनस x1 हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करू. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॅन थिटा हा फॉर्म्युला कधी यूज करायचा, या फिगरमध्ये आपल्याला काय दिलेलं आहे, ए बी इज लाईन बट A is means the point of A or coordinate of A is not given. Same here, point coordinate of point B is not given, means there is no given point A and point B. So but there is given the inclination of line. Inclination of line is given 45 degree. So there is the value of the theta. Okay, but there is not given the coordinate of point. So that time we can use the slope of line is equal to tan theta formula. Okay, inclination of line means the AB is the line, and its inclination 45 degree. Okay, suppose here line CD and there is 30 degree, this angle is 30 degree. So that time your inclination of line is 30 degree. So that time find the slope of line CD. So we use the formula slope of line CD is equal to tan theta. Okay, don't use this formula because there is no given coordinate of point A and point B. Okay, next slope of parallel lines are equal. Slope of parallel lines are equal. जर दोन लाईन जर पॅरलल असेल तर त्याचा स्लोप इक्वल असतो. Look this figure, line AB and line CD. Line AB and line CD, the inclination of line of AB is 45 degree and the inclination of line CD is 45 degree. So that's why its slope means slope of AB and slope of CD are equal. Point is that if the slope of lines are equal, then the lines are parallel. Otherwise slope of parallel lines are equal. If the inclination of lines are equal, so that time slope of lines are equal and these lines are parallel to each other. Okay, next point, slope of x axis is 0. How? For 1 marks question, slope of x axis is 0. So x axis, you know the x axis, the inclination of x axis is 0 degree. Inclination of x axis is 0 degree and inclination of y axis is 90 degree. The inclination of x axis is 0 degree. So that time theta is equal to 0 degree. Then tan theta, slope of x axis. So we use the slope of line tan theta's formula because there is given is the inclination tan theta. Put here tan value of theta 0 degree is equal to tan 0 degree, you know, 0. So therefore slope of x axis is 0, not 0 degree, 0. Okay, then y axis, slope of y axis is not defined. Okay, how slope of y axis is not defined? So the y axis, you know, the y axis, the inclination of line is y axis 90 degree. Okay, therefore theta is equal to 90 degree. We can use this formula because there is the theta. Okay, so slope of y axis, slope of y axis is equal to tan theta. Now put the value of tan, value of theta 90 degree, because the inclination of line y axis is 90 degree, so tan 90 degree. And you know, in trigonometry chapter, in that table, tan 30 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 90 degree, okay, there is given values of tan, sin, cos. Okay, so tan 90 degree means not defined, not defined. So you can write here, slope of y axis is not defined, not defined. Okay, got it? In exam, there is for the 1 marks question, if the inclination of line is 45 degree, so what is the slope of this line? So you can write directly, tan 45 is equal to 1. The slope of line is 1. Okay, then next point, inclination of x-axis is 0. How? You know that is the initial point. Okay, so start from the 0 degree, 10 degree, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 90, 100, 110, 120 up to 180. So that is the inclination of line. Okay, then in exam given is that the point A and point B, and given is the coordinate of point A and coordinate of point B, find out the slope of the line AB. So that time use this formula. And if in exam the given is the inclination of line AB is 45 degree, what is the slope of line AB? So that time use this formula. Okay. Student, आपण आता पाहिलाय की स्लोप ऑफ लाइन्स फॉर्म्युला y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and another formula of slope of line tan theta. Okay, both are the formulas of slope of line, but using the formula depend upon the given matter. Okay, so example, find the slope of line AB if A coordinate 3, 2 and B coordinate 5, 6. Okay, now find out the slope of line, but we have two formulas. Slope of line is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and the slope of line is equal to tan theta. Okay, but which formula use in that question? So depend upon the given matter. What is given matter? Point A and point is given. Very good. So that's why use this formula. Okay, in solution, let point A 3, 2, that's why value of x1 and y1. Okay, B points 5, 6, value of x2 and y2. Okay, now right here x1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 5 and y2 is equal to 6. Okay, now use the formula. Slope of line is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Very good. Slope of line. What is the name of line? AB. If there is given a point C and D, so that time you can write slope of line CD, slope of line M and slope of line XY. What it? Slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now put here value of y2 6 minus value of y1 2 divided by value of x2 5 minus value of x1 3. Now calculate 6 minus 2 4 divided by 5 minus 3 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2 2. Slope of line AB is 2. Therefore in answer you can write in this way, slope of line AB is 2. Okay, very simple and easy question in exam for 2 marks. Okay, means the on the graph paper slope AB is 2. Okay, then next question is that before solving next question याचा तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊ शकता आणि आपण नंतरचा क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करू. ओके, so student next question is that find the slope of line AB if inclination of line is 45 degree. So question is that slope of line AB, but which formula use here? Slope of line is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, or slope of line is equal to tan theta. Okay, so what is the given matter? If given matter is the point, so that time we can use this formula, and if the matter is given inclination of line, so that time you can use this formula. So what is given? There is given inclination of line. So yes, definitely we can use this formula. What is concept of using this formula? Yes. Now solution, inclination of line is 45 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. If there is the inclination of line is 30 degree, so that time theta is equal to 30 degree. There is the inclination of line is 60 degree, so that time theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay, slope of line AB is equal to which formula? Tan theta. Now put here tan theta. What is the value of theta? 45. Why theta is equal to 45 degree? Because the inclination of line is 40 degree. Okay, so 45 degree is equal to value of tan 45 degree. You know, in trigonometry chapter last year. Okay, tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Very good. So therefore slope of line AB is 1. Got it? Very easy. Both our formulas are easy. Okay, या क्वेश्चनचा आपण स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊन ठेवा. आपण नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल बघू. So student, next example is that determine the given points are collinear or not. Point A, its coordinate 3 2, points B, its coordinate 3 4, and point C, its coordinate 5 6. So on the graph paper, so these points, point A, point B, and point C are collinear or not. Okay, so you know collinear points means the if more than 2 points are in a straight line, so that is the collinear point. Okay, so point A, B, and C here collinear points, but determine these points are collinear or not. So if using the slope of lines formula, if the slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC, so that time points are collinear. Slope of line AB is not is equal to slope of line BC, so that time points are not collinear. So we determine using this formula. Solution, let point A 3 2, that's why x1 y1, point B 3 4, x2 and y2. Firstly find out the slope of AB using this point. Slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now put here value of y2 4 minus value of y1 2 divided by value of x2 3 minus value of x1 3. Now 4 minus 2 2 divided by 3 minus 3 0 is equal to its calculation 2 divided by 0. 2 divided by 0. So slope of line AB, its answer 0, no, 2 divided by 0, so not defined. Okay. Then now slope of line BC is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now put the value of y2 6 minus value of y1 4 divided by value of x2 5 minus value of x1 3 is equal to 6 minus 4 2 and 5 minus 3 2 is equal to 1. So slope of line BC is equal to 1. Slope of line AB 1, equation number 1, and slope of line BC is equal to equation number 2. So from first and second both are different. So therefore we can conclude the slope of line AB is not equal to slope of line BC. Therefore point A, B and C are not collinear. Okay, because the slope of line AB and slope of line BC are not equal. So if the slope is not equal, so points are not collinear. So what type of point? Point is that the A, B and like that C, because the AB slope of AB not defined, okay, because the straight line, and BC slope is 1, so point A, B and C are not collinear. Okay. काय बघितलं आपण या पॉईंटमध्ये स्लोप ऑफ लाईन is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 and slope of line is equal to tan theta. There is two formulas given slope of line, but using the formula depend upon the given matter. If the given matter is the point, so that time we can use this formula, and if the matter is inclination of line is given, so that time you can use this formula. Got it? So another example is related to the topic or related to the formula in 5.3, practice set 5.3. ते तुम्ही सॉल्व करू शकता. त्याचबरोबर या टॉपिकमध्ये एखादी पॅरलेलोग्राम आहे असा एक क्वेश्चन राहू शकतो इन एक्झाम. पॅरलेलोग्राम ABCD 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 इज अ पॅरलेलोग्राम. ते ABCD हे पॅरलेलोग्रामचे व्हर्टायसेस आहे का असं आपल्याला शो करायचं असते. तर त्यामध्ये काय करायचं, फर्स्टली स्लोप ऑफ लाईन AB फाइंड आउट करायचं, नंतर स्लोप ऑफ लाईन BC फाइंड आउट करायचं, नंतर स्लोप ऑफ लाईन CD फाइंड आउट करायचं आणि नंतर स्लोप ऑफ लाईन AD फाइंड आउट करायचं. मग स्लोप ऑफ AB इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ CD अँड स्लोप ऑफ BC इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ AD जर आपल्याला मिळालं तर ABCD आर द व्हर्टायसेस ऑफ अ पॅरलेलोग्राम. अशी कोणती जर डायग्राम जर दिली किंवा स्लोप फॉर एक्झाम्पल असे राहू शकते की लाईन AB आणि लाईन CD ह्या दोन्ही पॅरलल लाईन आहे आणि एका लाईनचा जर स्लोप दिलेला आहे तर दुसऱ्या लाईनचा स्लोप किती राहील. मग व्हॉट इज द स्लोप ऑफ लाईन CD. सो यू नो द इफ द लाईन्स आर पॅरलल टू each other, so that time inclination of lines are equal, and if the inclination of lines are equal, so that time slope of lines are equal, and slope of lines are equal, so lines parallel to each other. Okay, thank you. याचाच तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊन ठेवा. आणि एच एस सी रिलेटेड जे एक आपले प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.3 आहे आणि प्रॉब्लेम सेट सर्व एक्झाम्पल या पूर्ण टॉपिकशी रिलेटेड आहे. ओके, सॉल्व कराल. थँक्यू.